Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something elegant and stylish to unbox. The Louis Cardin 1841G-H. If you're into watches that balance design, quality, and affordability, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. Alright, let's get straight into the unboxing. You can see it comes in this premium-looking Louis Cardin packaging. Simple, classy, and protective. And here it is, the 1841G-H First Impressions. This watch looks really elegant. The case is polished, the dial layout is clean, and it already feels like a timepiece that stands out without being over flashy. Taking a closer look, the Louis Cardin 1841G-H features a insert dial color and case details based on actual product stainless steel case, sunburst dial, chronograph subdials. The finishing is really well done. The indices, the hands, and the detailing feel premium for this price range. The strapping on your model, which adds to its classy vibe. Definitely a watch that can work both for formal occasions and everyday wear. On the wrist, the Louis Cardin 1841G-H feels really comfortable. It's not too bulky, sits well, and honestly, it makes a statement without being too loud. If you're someone who likes watches that balance luxury styling with practicality, this is a solid pick. So that's been my unboxing and review of the Louis Cardin 1841G-H. A classy, stylish timepiece that really shows Louis Cardin knows how to blend design with functionality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more watch reviews, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of this model. Would you wear it? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.